How to track your order on Shopee. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can track your order on Shopee. Open the Shopee app. If you don't have this app, head over to Play Store or App Store to download this application. Log into your account. Now tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you have the My Purchase section. Go ahead and tap on the View Purchase History option. You will have different sections over here. You want to select the one that says To Receive. Now you want to find the specific order you want to track and tap on it to view the order details. You will see the current status of your order. It might be order placed, preparing for shipment, shipped, out for delivery, or delivered. Now in the order details page, there is a view shopping info option. Tap on this to see more details about the tracking information. This will show you the shipping carrier and tracking number as well as the detailed tracking steps. You can also use the tracking number on the courier's website if you want. Shopee will send you notifications at various stages of the delivery process. You will receive updates like order confirmed, package shipped, out for delivery, or delivered. If you encounter any issues such as delivery delays, lost packages, or incorrect tracking information, then you can directly contact the customer support of Shopee and they will help you fix this problem. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.